98.3 Love Radio supports original Filipino music. And here's the pride of Pangasinan. Born in San Carlos City, an OFW singing sensation and a Filipino singing nurse. First runner-up Pinoy Idol Ireland 2004. Orly De Los Santos with his song entitled Okay Lang Ba?
Okay lang ba kung di ganong gwapo, di rin naman maporma o simpatiko, simple lamang na tao, ngunit tapat ang aking puso, ito'y pangako sa'yo. Sana naman ay bigyan mo ng pag-asa ang puso ko, sana ay lumigaya. Huwag ka sanang magagalit, di naman ako namimilit. Nagtatanong lamang sa'yo.
Orly De Los Santos, first runner-up Pinoy Idol Ireland 2004, an OFW singing sensation and the pride of Pangasinan.
It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines dahil may Love Radio sa Davao.
Always your number one FM radio station.
This is Ellie Buendia. Hindi nagbibiro itong Red Horse. Ang tindi. Di tulad ng ordinaryong kainuman, ito ang walang